Matt Hay, and I spoke about the laser powder DED and the effects of the matching the laser spot size and the powder spot size to get the best surface quality.
I'm Ian Gibbs. I'm the business development manager here for Heavy Industries with EWI, and just supporting Matt's talk today.
So I talked about, like I said, laser powder DED, and the biggest part of it is with processes we're trying to develop is to be able to do some NDE evaluation in process in between layers of a DED build, or an AM build, I guess. And with that, you need to have as smooth a surface as you can, because usually you don't care about the surface on an additive manufacturing build because you're going to machine it afterwards. But with this, we need to have as good a surface quality as we can so that we can do NDE inspection in between those layers without having to machine it, because normally they machine a part before they do the NDE processes to it.
One of the buzzwords in industry right now is convergent manufacturing. And what that means is bringing multi-processes into one cell. Again, you're building up your efficiencies, and you're able to print, inspect, repair, all in one cell. So from a real world application, being able to hit on or complete multi-process in one cell is very important.
Okay, so with this process, it's not necessarily real time as it's following the bead, you're doing the inspection, but once the layer is finished, then you can inspect that layer. It also is going to allow you to not have to inspect an entire build through processes that are going to have to try and get through a foot worth of weld. If you inspected each layer, you're only trying to inspect that top millimeter and see if it's good compared to what you've already done.